Project managers, here are my tips for capturing more lessons learned in your project. Don't wait for the end of the project to try to capture lessons. You'll only remember the big and recent events. Instead, capture lessons throughout the project lifecycle. An easy way to do this is to set a reminder to capture at least one lesson in your lessons learned log every single time you write a status report. Recent events are still fresh in your mind and Recent events are still fresh in your mind and can be more easily identified and captured than waiting for the end of the project, and the outcome will be that you capture a greater range of lessons. On a regular basis, maybe monthly, invite project teammates and stakeholders to contribute a lesson or two. There's no reason why the lessons learned should only be your lessons. And again, there's no reason why you should wait till the end of the project to invite feedback. Asking for contributions from teammates and stakeholders can also reveal problems that are out of your line of sight. So this can serve as an early warning indicator and help you to start managing risks much sooner. Is this useful? If so, let me know by hitting the like button. Lessons don't have to be negative, and they don't have to be project competence specific. If you discover that talking to Bob in finance will get payments approved quicker than going through the normal workflow, that's useful information and you should capture it. Future projects will benefit from this knowledge, and so will Bob, who loves a good chat. Lessons don't have to be negatives, but often they are. So whenever something goes wrong and you have to log an issue, ask yourself, is there a lesson we can learn from this? Now for one that's kind of obvious, and you'll need to be brave to try it. You learn the most from experimenting and trying new things. So be innovative. Try new things, change things that are established as normal and see if you make them better or worse. Change your weekly team meeting for a daily stand-up. Instead of opening your email inbox first thing in the morning, open your project plan instead. Do something different and be scientific. Actually measure the difference the change makes, whether it's positive or negative. Maybe the meetings were better before you changed them. Maybe your work is more focused as a result of downgrading the emails. But try new things, make mistakes, make improvements, and capture the lessons. What else? Do you have any tips for capturing more lessons learned? Let me know in the comments. Share them with the community. I love to read them, and you never know, maybe I'll include them in a future video. Now, if you're on a journey to improve as a project manager, then I strongly recommend you try this video over here, where I'll give some really simple tips that'll help to make you into a better project manager almost immediately. On the other hand, YouTube thinks you'd get more from the one down here, which I'm sure is an excellent video too. Okay, decision time. Who are you going to trust, Stuart or YouTube? Stuart, YouTube.